Welcome back to Neospace. Today we're venturing into the wild heart of the Florida Everglades. This subtropical wetland is a haven for wildlife and ground zero in a battle for survival. The Everglades, shaped by slow-moving water, supports everything from tiny frogs to the mighty alligator. But a new threat has arrived, an invasive giant serpent from Southeast Asia, disrupting the delicate balance. We'll uncover the scale of this crisis and the fight to restore harmony. Meet the scientists, hunters, and native wildlife working together to push back. This isn't just about snakes, it's about the future of one of Earth's most vital ecosystems. The Everglades' fate is a call to action for all of us. The battle is on, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Let's dive in. The Everglades, known as the River of Grass, is a vast, slow-moving sheet of water flowing from Lake Okeechobee to Florida Bay. This unique flow creates a mosaic of habitats, home to alligators, crocodiles, wading birds, and the elusive Florida panther. Every species here is interconnected, forming a delicate web of life. The Everglades purifies water for millions and shields communities from storms. Its health is vital for both wildlife and people. But this intricate balance is now under siege by an invader that threatens to unravel it all. The fight for survival has never been more urgent. Burmese pythons, once exotic pets, found their way into the Everglades, some released, others escaping after Hurricane Andrew. In this lush, predator-free paradise, they flourished. Native animals unprepared for such a predator fell victim as pythons multiplied rapidly. Mammal populations, raccoons, opossums, bobcats, have plummeted by over 90% in some areas. Pythons devour everything from birds to deer, even alligators, disrupting the entire food web. A single female can lay up to 100 eggs, making eradication nearly impossible. Their camouflage and elusive nature make them hard to find. For every python caught, countless more remain hidden. This silent invasion has pushed the Everglades to the brink. The need for action is urgent. In response, agencies and citizens have launched a multi-pronged attack. The Python Elimination Program pays hunters to remove pythons, each one caught saving native wildlife. Scientists use radio-tagged Judas snakes to track and locate breeding females. Detector dogs, with their keen noses, help find hidden snakes in dense terrain. Public events like the Python Challenge raise awareness and involve citizens in the fight. Technology, teamwork, and community engagement are turning the tide. Every snake removed is a step toward restoring balance. The battle is fierce, but hope is growing. Sometimes, nature itself fights back. Loki, a radio-tagged python, led scientists on a surprising journey. When his signal stopped moving, researchers found his carcass, evidence of a violent struggle. The culprit, a native bobcat, weighing just a fraction of Loki's size. This was the first documented case of a bobcat killing and eating a large python. The discovery electrified conservationists. Native predators are learning to fight back. Loki's story is more than an anecdote. It's a symbol of adaptation and hope. The Everglades wildlife is beginning to resist the invaders. Nature's resilience is on full display. Loki's fate isn't unique. Other native predators, from alligators to panthers, are now preying on pythons. These encounters, though rare, mark a turning point. The ecosystem is adapting. Cold snaps make pythons sluggish, giving native predators an edge. This evolving predator-prey relationship could help restore balance. If native animals consistently target pythons, especially juveniles, they could become a natural control. It's a slow process, but these first signs offer real hope. The Everglades' resilience is a testament to evolution and adaptation. Native species are rising to the challenge. Combined with human intervention, this natural resistance is powerful. The fight for the Everglades is far from over, but the tide may be turning. The battle continues, but hope grows through an alliance of people and nature. Scientists, hunters, and native predators are all part of this fight. Programs like the Python Challenge foster conservation and public engagement. Ongoing research brings new tools and strategies. True victory requires cooperation between agencies, communities, and the wild itself. Nature is a powerful ally. By supporting it, we strengthen the Everglades' recovery. The story warns of invasive species dangers, but also inspires with resilience and teamwork. Together, we can help restore balance to this irreplaceable wilderness.